Phillips, welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, warm welcome. Today's video is a super short review of the Olay Vitamin C Facial Cleanser. So you guys, I absolutely love these things here. If you've been rocking with me for a while, you saw that I had this in my stocking stuffer video that I gave to some of my giftees. I also purchased me one. You guys, I absolutely love it. This is a travel size version of the product. 12 comes in the pack. You guys, this is such a reinvented way to have facial cleansers, really, to be honest with you. So really, this is a two-part process, or maybe a three-part process. Wash your face as normal, then take you one of these facial cleansers. As you can see, it looks like a little square cloth, and then you activate it by using some water, and it turns into a gelatin type process depending on how much water that you use. The more water you use, the more easier or looser that it becomes, and then you apply it to your face. That is what I'm doing here now, you guys. And let me just let you know that this stuff smells absolutely amazing. It's true like a small spa in your hands that you're applying to your face. I absolutely love it. The purpose of this product is to cleanse, tone, and refresh your skin. This is gentle for all facial types. A size like this, I only paid with the tax roughly about $5. You guys, look how clear my face looks. I absolutely love it. I hope this video is helpful. Smooches.